As promised, I have a quick and easy recipe for you using chickpea tofu that we made last time. We're going to make a lip-smacking tandoori pan-fried tofu. Let's see how to make it. We're going to start by preparing the marinade for our tandoori. I'm going to start by heating up some mustard oil. The oil has started smoking. I'm going to switch off the flame and add it directly to my bowl. While the oil is still hot, we're going to add in Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1.5 tablespoon. When you add Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder to hot oil, it releases its color as well. You'll get a nice deep red color. Now to this, I'm going to add our other spices, starting with half a teaspoon of haldi, half teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, 1 tablespoon of Coriander Powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Jeera powder, half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi. Now we're going to give this a stir. To finish the preparation of our marinade, I'm going to add in some thick yogurt, around 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to mix this very well. Now that our marinade is ready, we're going to add in the chickpea tofu. Along with this, I'm going to add in some red capsicum, which I've cut into medium cubes, and some onion petals as well. Now we're going to season this with some salt. Now I'm just going to toss this in the marinade. Be a little careful because the tofu is actually quite delicate. Set this aside for 15 to 30 minutes to get the maximum flavor into them. If you're having guests over, you can also prepare this and keep it in the fridge and use it when they come along. Now we're going to pan fry this. I have a hot pan over here, adding a little bit of oil to it. The pan is hot. I'm going to start adding the tofu and veggies one by one. Once again, the tofu is quite delicate, so this is a reminder to treat it delicately. Once the pan is full and you can see a little bit of color on the tofu, you can start turning it around. It's a beautiful golden color and you can really smell the mustard oil coming through. Once the tofu is fried from both sides, you can take it out. In the same way, I'm going to pan fry rest of the tofu. I'm going to smoke the chickpea tandoori tofu with a little bit of hot coal and oil, and I'm going to cover it to make sure that it smokes properly. Our flavorful and crispy tandoori pan-fried tofu is ready to serve. It makes for a great snack during parties, but you can also serve it with your meals as a side dish. If you want to learn how to make the chickpea tofu, you'll find the link to the recipe in the description box below. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off.